Hello everyone, welcome to How to Do It. In this video, we'll see how to fix a common problem in Windows 11, that is Wi-Fi not working. So to fix this, just go to search and type in settings and open the settings app. Now just go to the search bar and type in device manager. Now open this device manager. Now just expand the network adapters and just right click on your network adapter and click on properties. Now go to advanced. Now go to driver and then click on update driver. Click on search automatically for drivers. Now it will update the Wi-Fi driver that you have. Now it says that we have already updated the driver, so we'll close this. Now just press Windows and R and just type in services.msc. Now here just search for WLAN autoconfig. So it is just here. Now double click on this and change the startup type to automatic and then click on start and then click on apply. Now also change the settings for Windows Update. So double click on Windows Update and make it automatic and then click on apply and then OK. Next what we'll have to do is just go to search and type in CMD. Now right click on this and click on run as administrator. Click on yes. Now just type in netsh winshock space reset. Now press enter and it says reset successful. Now just type in netsh space int space ip space reset space reset log.txt. Here the reset has been done, so it says that we have to restart our computer to apply this action. So once you restart, the problem should be fixed. So this was all on how to fix Wi-Fi problem in Windows 11. Hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thank you.